Looks like him using voice now, whatever. Let's just see the votes. Since the square guy is eliminated, we are gonna start a challenge. The challenge is to find some missing pieces of Jigsaw.
Is the jigsaw anything important or made of?
It's made of gold. Anyways, let the challenge begin.
This should be easy.
Are you even sure this is easy?
Don't worry. I can find them.
Found one.
How did she do that?
Just find it quickly. If you're lucky enough, you can find one of the golden jigsaw.
Hey, could you help me find some jigsaw?
Sure.
Wait, have you seen lipstick anywhere?
No.
She is probably sleeping. Guys, just found one.
Whoa. I don't want to be up for elimination for the third time. Wait. Why are you giving me this?
It's just because I don't want to be here anymore. What if the prize was a troll or something like that?
Okay. Thanks, I guess.
I guess I'm up for elimination. Not really sad.